One thing as a health coach that I'm always talking about is reducing your blood sugar and balancing your blood sugar. And one of the things we're going to talk about today is bread substitutes. So what I want you to do, if you have bread in your kitchen, to look at the label of your bread and look at total carbohydrates. So this happens to be one of those breads, and I won't show the label, but it says that it's 45 calories a slice. Isn't that great? It's low calorie. But when you go and look at the total carbohydrates, it says 19, and then fiber is 3, so that means 16 net carbs per slice. And then if you go to our lovely hot dog buns that everybody loves, one hot dog has 27 grams of carbohydrates and no fiber. So this will spike your blood sugar. So one thing you can do to really support reducing inflammation in your body is look for bread substitutes. And I've got lots of them to tell you about. I found these great jicama wraps. I found these at Trader Joe's. And again, if you look at the back, it says one wrap, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber. So 1 net carb. And these are like tortillas that you can put some tuna salad in, so I might actually have that for lunch today. These are called jicama wraps. I'll talk about jicama on a different video. And then these cauliflower thins. These are like pita bread. And when you look at the back here, it says 1 is 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 1 net carb versus 27 in your hot dog bun. So these are both great substitutes. Then if you look a little deeper at some of your Whole Foods, or I have a Mother's Market here, I found these organic coconut wraps, and these have turmeric. They are gluten-free, they're paleo, they're raw, organic. One wrap has 6 grams of total carbs and 2 fibers, so that's 4 net carbs. All of these are great bread substitutes that are gluten-free. They will help your digestive system, and you see they're adding veggies to your diet, and they're pretty easy to come across. So why don't you give one a try, see how you like it. If you don't, try a different one, but definitely try and reduce or eliminate bread from your diet.